Alright everybody, I wanted to make a quick video on how to disable the automatic updates, since a lot of you guys that are in hurricane affected areas might be using a laptop that has Windows 10 on it, and your update feature might be going through right now because Windows did release some updates, security updates recently. So the last thing you want is to lose any data or bandwidth that you're paying for by using your tethering feature on your phone or whatnot. So no use in trying to do one of those updates right now. You're better off saving that for when your internet is restored, you got power back in the house. You don't want to waste your limited bandwidth by tethering on a Windows 10 update, because those updates tend to be massive. So here we go. I'm going to show you real quick how to do it. You're going to go over here to the Windows search menu, and you're going to type in update. You're going to see check for updates. You're going to click there. The next option here is you're going to scroll down and don't click on anything else. Don't click on check for updates. You may end up doing an update that is huge and it'll screw you over quick. So click on advanced options. You're going to come down over here and you see where it says choose how updates are delivered. You're going to click there and you are going to make sure that this off feature is engaged. This grays out this option here. What it is, I'm going to read it to you so you understand why. Download Windows updates and apps from other PCs in addition to Microsoft. This can help speed up app and update downloads. Now that's a load of shit. I'm going to be honest with you. In theory it does work well, but if you are using capped bandwidth, throttled bandwidth, this kills the local network. So don't enable this. When this is turned on, when this is turned on, your PC may also send parts of previously downloaded Windows updates and apps to PCs on your local network. That means that if you got an update, but let's say your desktop didn't, or vice versa, those two are going to be sharing that. And that's just more infrastructure drain that you just don't need in the house. So you're better off making sure that this is disabled for now. So make sure that's in the off. If you turn it on, this will activate, and what will happen is it's going to allow the computers on the network that are Windows 10 to talk to each other. In my opinion, that is a bit of a security issue there. So this should be off at all times. Periodically, once a month, you should go back here and just click on check for updates when you have power, when you're not worried about your bandwidth limits or anything like that, because if you do happen to encounter a large Windows 10 security update or any type of other update for any apps that you have on your machine, you could be looking at a massive file. And if you are using tethered services through AT&T, T-Mobile, and whatnot, you are capped. 6 gig, 4 gig, 20 gig, and some of these files are huge. They'll eat up all of that for you, and then you're going to be throttled afterwards. Make sure that this is disabled. So one more time, really quick, advanced options. Choose how updates are delivered. Make sure this is in the off position. Make sure that this is grayed out. As long as that's there, you're not going to be pushing through any updates, and you're not going to be killing that bandwidth that you are using tethered on your mobile phone or one of those 4G tethering devices, if you still have one of those, because they come in handy during times of storms. So this is for anybody that's going through a hurricane right now, or just went through the hurricane, and whether Harvey or Irma, and you're using your phone's 4G LTE service to tether to your computer because your power's out, or the landline doesn't work, or your Spectrum internet, home internet doesn't work, whatever the case may be, please disable this. This will save you a ton of data. I hope this helps. You guys have a good day. Bye.